Are you looking for the best portable shortwave radios? Portable shortwave radios remain indispensable for both emergency preparedness and hobby listening, offering access to international broadcasts, weather alerts, and niche amateur bands, even when smartphones cannot. In this review, I test and compare 5 compact, feature-rich models across a price spectrum from budget to premium to help readers choose based on real-world performance.
Product number 1, R11 Portable Shortwave Radio. The MG Kit R11 is positioned as a rugged, emergency-capable handheld with multi-band reception, AM, FM, SW, NOOA weather band, and robust power options. It features a 4000 mAh internal battery, solar and hand crank charging, Bluetooth 5.0, USB TF playback, and a 120 LM flashlight with SOS signaling. The device also includes a large 5-watt speaker and a digital channel search function that can store up to 210 channels across bands, making it appealing for disaster readiness and outdoor use. The combination of wind-down usability and multiple charging modalities helps ensure operation during power outages, while the built-in compass and SOS alert augment its preparedness credentials. In practice, the R11 shines as a beacon-style emergency radio with practical extras, a long battery life in normal use, up to 32 hours per full charge is claimed, a selectable auto-off timer, 10 to 70 minutes, to conserve power, and Bluetooth audio playback for music or podcasts when power is available. The digital search feature for automatic scanning and storage across AM, FM, SW, and OOA weather bands is a time saver, though signal conditions in the field will still govern how many usable stations you'll find on SW bands. Tuning and interface are serviceable, but the overall size, roughly 3.15 by 2 by 5.02 inches, and the weight, about 1.17 pounds, make it a moderately compact option rather than an ultra-light pocket radio.
Product number 2, Texon Digital PL330 AM plus FM. Texon's PL330 is a compact DSP-based world-band radio with AM and FM, LW, SW, and single sideband capability aimed at serious shortwave enthusiasts who value reception quality and feature density. It includes a high-sensitivity DSP demodulation chain, synchronized detection, an 8-ohm 250 milliwatt speaker, and 850 memories for quick station access. The PL330 also adds practical features like an alarm clock, sleep timer, external antenna input, USB connectivity, and a 3.5mm output for private listening. It ships with stereo earphones and includes a robust firmware 3307 to optimize performance. In use, the PL330 demonstrates strong sensitivity and selectivity across AM and SW bands, with SSB enabling more nuanced reception on long-distance transmissions. The built-in speaker is capable and clear at moderate volumes, and the large memories are a real time saver for frequent listening. However, price is at a premium tier within this category, and the absence of a dedicated internal rechargeable battery, reliance on removable Li-on, may affect field reliability for some users. External antenna input is a plus for improving weak signals, but the overall weight and form factor remain compact enough for travel.
Product number 3, Gradio Portable Shortwave. Gradio's GR-T26 is a straightforward AM, FM, and SW radio designed for portable, home, and outdoor use, with a large LCD display and a pair of big knobs for easy tuning. It runs on 4 D-cell batteries or AC power, and it emphasizes strong reception via a long antenna and DSP-assisted signal processing. The unit emphasizes ease of use for seniors and kids, with a handle and dual power modes, plus a built-in speaker and 3.5mm earphone jack. It is a solid all-arounder that prioritizes accessibility and reliability over specialist features. Performance-wise, the GR-T26 delivers dependable reception for AM, FM, and SW, with simple operation and a generous display. The ability to run on standard D-cell batteries makes it highly usable in power-out scenarios or in remote settings where recharging is inconvenient. The major trade-offs are limited storage features and fewer advanced capabilities than premium models. However, the speaker output is capable for a room-wide listen, and the large knobs make precise tuning feasible for those with diminished fine motor control. This model excels as a durable, no-fuss radio for everyday listening and camping.
Product number 4,
Bluetooth AM, FM, shortwave, JASM's pocket-friendly, Bluetooth-enabled AM, FM, SW, WB radio. Targets travelers and casual listeners who want a compact, feature-rich device with NOAA weather alerts. It includes a 1250 mAh rechargeable battery, a 5-watt speaker for noticeable output, and support for SD/TF playback along with USB MP3 playback. The device also features a back clip and wrist strap for easy attachment to bags or belts, making it a practical companion for outdoor activities and emergencies. In practice, the JASM radio delivers strong daily listening performance with an emphasis on versatility, 4-band reception, built-in DSP chip for signal management, and multiple playback options, TF card, USB, Bluetooth. The 1250 mAh cell provides a respectable runtime, and the integrated flashlight adds utility in low-light conditions. The compact form factor favors portability, but the small display and button layout may require a learning curve for new users. Overall, it's a well-rounded option for on-the-go listening and NOAA alert access.
Product number 5. Retekis V115 Shortwave Radio. Retekis's V115 is a compact digital radio designed for campers and casual listeners, offering AM, FM, and SW reception with automatic station search and memory presets, plus TF card playback and recording. It uses 1000 mAh rechargeable battery and includes a bass speaker, making it a capable pocket-to-tabletop radio with offline audio capabilities. Its packaging emphasizes a budget-friendly approach without sacrificing essential shortwave abilities, which makes it attractive for entry-level users and those assembling an emergency kit. In use, the V115 shines as a value-focused option with convenient features like recording and TF playback. The user experience benefits from automatic scan and store, manual frequency input, and multiple playback modes, including directory and random play. However, the 1000 mAh battery limits long off-grade use compared with larger battery packs, and the unit's physical footprint is small, which can restrict antenna performance on distant SW stations. It's a strong starter radio for listeners who want SW capability without a large upfront investment.